Get funky.
My name's Jehu Howard, and I'm a sound engineer in New Orleans, have been for a long time. Today we are showcasing the X2 rig. So these boxes are 160 degrees, and so they're basically, I mean, thrown to where I'm standing right now on this side and equally the other way. So we've got them all angled out. And then along with that, we've got all of these small sub speaker runs that are all time aligned and delayed and set up perfectly by Tony. I checked out the X2 actually on a YouTube video, a sparse little pop of a YouTube video, but you know, when you're looking at something just off of an iPhone and it sounds a certain way, you're just, that sounds fantastic, and I feel confident that it can run as small or as large of a show as I want to and disperse that even sound that I'm looking for.
My name is Cristian Duque, and I am the leader of the Soul Project, a funk band from New Orleans. What we got here is the Funky Uncle Lounge, and this is an idea bred last year at the end of Mardi Gras. I was riding on another float with the head of the Funky Tux, Chris Berry, and we had an idea where we said, man, people love this music that they're playing. We're playing all this recorded music. I would love to get the music to the people, man. Can we give them the music? And what happened was it just kept rolling and rolling and rolling, and to the point where it was like, we need to play music for the people. We need to have a live band playing for the people. The problem is, Mardi Gras, traditionally, the sound systems and the style of music, it has not been impressive, to me at least. So we said to ourselves, we need to make this a club experience. We need to make it, like the first time I went into Tipitina's and I had heard George Porter Jr. and the Running Partners, and I heard the sound system that was so loud and powerful, but my ears did not hurt. It felt good, it sounded good, and the funk was so funky, I became a fan for life. And I said, we need to give this to the people. So this is what we did.